Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chopstick for beginners. For me, I get used to it. I use chopstick every day. But for some people that are just learning how to use chopsticks, they have a hard time. So let me show you how to make it, so make it easier for them to learn how to use it. All you need to do is just a pair of chopstick. This is a clothespin. You can use the wooden one, or I have a plastic one. You could use either one. So I'm going to use the wooden one. It's a little smaller. And then you need some zip tie, the smaller one, shorter one right here. All you need is 4 zip tie, 4 smaller one. And need a marker and just some to cut off the zip tie, like a box knife. So the first thing you need to do is just put the close pin right in the middle right there, and then adjust it right here. Keep adjusting it until the tip of both chopsticks touch each other, right about there. And then right there, you see that? Where both tips touch each other. And then just take a marker and just mark it right there, where the mark it right here. Mark it right there. And then if you want to, you can mark the end too. You don't have to. All right. And then you can put it down now. And next thing is just use the zip tie right there. You align where the marking is, and then see the marking right there. Line it up and zip tie it. Okay, and then do one more on this end. Okay, and then same thing with the other side. Zip tie it up. Line up the marking right there. You can use tape too, you know, like duct tape, all that, but I prefer to use the zip ties better, I think. Tie good, and then just take a box knife and just cut off the zip tie. Now anyone can use this chopstick right here. You see that? Anyone can use it now. So you don't need to be a chopstick expert to use this. Let me demonstrate how to pick up the almond. Look at that, right there. When you squeeze the end of the chopstick right there, the spring of the clothespin open it up, and then need to do it just right there. That's it. You see that? Now you can pick anything up right here. Look at almond. You can pick it up with ease. Look at that. So, see? Right there. So it's so easy to do. Just need a zip tie, 4 zip ties, and a clothespin. You can use the plastic one. The plastic one's a little bigger, or you can use the wooden one. Wooden clothespin. That's it. So I hope you learned something here. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.